Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm Chris Bedford coming back to you from the Federalist. I'm here with Kaylee Beal, and we are going to make some Irish coffee today. Are you ready?
Super ready. Super ready, not a good thing to say.
You're not very good at this. We're going to cut you out at the end.
Okay.
Grind, baby! Dumps like a truck. Okay, can you hit brew? Happy International Women's Day. Well, bourbon works excellent on Christmas. We're making Irish coffee for St. Patrick's Day, so you're going to pick your whiskey. Now, keep in mind you're mixing it with coffee and cream and sugar, so you're not going to want to do anything fancy, but I'm not poor like you, so I'm going with Green Spot. Sláinte. Pretty good?
It's decent.
It's pretty dank. You take 1 to 2 ounces of whiskey and you put it in the jar. A teaspoon of brown sugar. Now when you're adding the coffee, leave enough room at the top for the cream. And stir. Now you heard me tease it, but here's a special ingredient. We're using Lou's Farm heavy cream from Delaware. But buy actually good heavy cream. Like get something good and shake it! Over a spoon, like with a half and half. And oh my God. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, Kaylee, where'd you get the Guinness? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a restaurant quality Irish coffee. Cheers, how is it?
I feel like you did a good job.
All right, we'll take it. Now, if you're one of those papists who gave up liquor for Lent, God bless you, and don't worry, I've got a special Catholic go-around coming for you next time if I don't get fired. Until then, I'm Chris Bedford at the Federalist, here with Kaylee Beal.